Welcome back to another RANS assembly session. Our header tank has been prepared for installation by drilling and installing the fuel fittings and the optional low fuel sensor. Sump location varies depending on trike or tail dragger configuration. Header tank mount has been installed as per manual with corresponding mount angles, and we have located and drilled our hole for the sump drain. The long hose clamps for the tank retention are also installed at this time. Use a thin, narrow strip of scrap material to help slide the tank in place. Installation of the header tank in a trike gear option presents a bit more of a challenge because of the forward location of the sump drain. The use of the scrap material as shown is helpful. The tank channels can now be fitted, clamped, and safety wired in place. The baggage floor does not need support angles in this area. It rests directly on the tank channels. Thanks for tuning in to another assembly session at RANS, and remember to hit the subscribe button if you're not already following our channel.